First one is acid halides. Acid chlorides are prepared from carboxylic acid by treating with any of the chlorinating agent like SOCl2, PCl5 or PCl3. For example, when acetic acid CH3, COOH acetic acid, when it is treated with the SOCl2 and it forms acetyl chloride CH3, C double bond O, Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Next one is chemical properties. Chemical properties of acid chloride. First one is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. Acid chlorides, when it is undergo hydrolysis and form corresponding carboxylic acid. For example, when acetic chloride, acetyl chloride undergo hydrolysis and this is removed as the water molecule and it give acetic acid CH3, C double bond O, OH, acetic acid. Second one is reaction with the alcohols. When acetyl chloride CH3, C double bond O, Cl, acetyl chloride react with the ethyl alcohol, that is HOC2H5, and it gives ethyl ethonate, and this is removed as the HCl, and we will be getting CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. So there is a formation of ester. This is a ester. Next one is reaction with ammonia. Acid halides, that is acetyl chloride CH3, C double bond O, Cl. When acetyl chloride react with ammonia NH3 and it gives amides, acetamide will be obtained CH3, C double bond O, NH2, and HCl is leaving from the compound. Next one is reaction with primary and secondary amine. Primary and secondary amine gives N-alkyl amides. When acetyl chloride or C double bond O, Cl, this acid halides, when it is react with the primary amine, this is primary amine, it gives N-alkyl amide or C double bond O, NH or N-alkyl amide. The same way secondary amine or C double bond Cl acid halides, when it is react with the secondary amine, it gives R C double bond O, N R2. So this is N, N dialkyl amine. Next acid derivative is acid anhydride. An acid anhydride can be prepared by two methods. One is when the carboxylic acid is heated with phosphorus pentaoxide, which is acts as a dehydrating agent, it gives acid anhydride. For example, when acetic acid, two molecules of acetic acid, when it is heated with P2O5, which is acts as a dehydrating agent, and we will be getting a acetic anhydride CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. acetic anhydride will be obtained. Next method of preparation is when acid chlorides CH3 C double bond O Cl. Acetyl chloride when it is treated with sodium salt of acetic acid, that is CH3 C double bond O ONA. This is sodium salt of acetic acid. When they heated, and we will be getting acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3, and this is removed as the NaCl. These are all the two methods to prepare the acetic anhydride. Let us discuss the chemical properties. Next one is chemical properties of acid anhydrides. The first one is acetic anhydride when it is undergo hydrolysis. First one is hydrolysis. When acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O CH3, this is acetic anhydride. When it is undergo hydrolysis, and it gives 2 molecules of acetic acid, so we will be getting CH3 COOH, that is 2 molecules. This hydrogen and this is 1 molecule of acetic acid, and CH3 C double bond O, this OH. So 2 molecules of acetic acid will be obtained. Next one is reaction with alcohol. Acetic acid. Next one is reaction with alcohol. Acetic anhydride, that is CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. When this acetic anhydride, when it is treated with the alcohol HOC2H5, that is ethyl alcohol, and it forms ethyl acetate, an ester is formed. So we will be getting CH3 C double bond O C2H5, an ester plus an acid CH3 COOH, an acid is formed. This is removed as the acid CH3 C double bond O OC2H5, an ester, remaining is an acid. Next one is a reaction with ammonia. With ammonia NH3, acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. When this acetic anhydride react with ammonia NH2, and acetamide will be obtained. So we will be getting CH3 C double bond O NH2 plus an acetic acid CH3 COOH, and this is removed as the acetic acid. The remaining we will be getting a acetamide. The last one is reaction with the potassium. Reaction with the phosphorus pentachloride. Acetic anhydride, that is CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is acetic anhydride. When it is treated with the PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, and we will be getting acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl. 2 molecules of acetyl chloride will be obtained. Then POCl3, also a leaving group. These are all the chemical properties of acetic anhydride.